A Softek IT Consult.
Hello everyone, welcome to A Softek IT Consult. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore your WhatsApp backup. In case you are using a GB WhatsApp, the WhatsApp Plus, any of the modded WhatsApp, okay, you may be having important data like document, like voice recordings, videos, images, which you don't want to lose. You want to get them and integrate them back to the original WhatsApp because you've been logged out or you've been banned. So let's see. So I have been logged out. So look at this. Okay. Yes, you are going to see I'm not going to be able to sign in. I've been trying multiple times since I was logged out. Okay, and I have important data. I have important messages. I have certain business on it. All right, and I can't risk it. Okay, some of my contact wasn't being saved on, and I'm going to lose if I should open a new WhatsApp. So now, what am I going to do? Since I have that, I'm going to go to files. Okay, my files, and I go to internal. I should look for a folder called Android, but it is not here. Why? Because this particular file manager, okay, cannot show the internal files, all right, that are hidden. So I'm going to use an app called the Z Archiver Pro. So when I open here, you can see that I have the Android right here. I go to media, I visit the GB WhatsApp folder. This is it, and then I am going to copy all of these files. Okay, I'm going to copy all of these files, and then I get back and I go to either the WhatsApp or the WhatsApp business. I'm going to use the WhatsApp business for now. I get in here and I paste everything. So let's wait for this to finish copying I'm going to replace everything too as well. So let's give it about 30 seconds to finish. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Yes, we are almost there. We are almost there. 10 seconds, 8 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still. Okay. So that's complete. Okay. So we've copied the data to the GB WhatsApp. Okay. So what are we going to do next? I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to click on the WhatsApp business. All right. So I agree and I continue. I click on allow. I select the contact. Okay. I select this one, and then I click on next, and then the two-step verification code that I used, then it shows this way. I click on continue, allow, allow, allow all. So we wait for WhatsApp to actually check whether there is a backup. If there is, that is going to restore. If there is not, yes, that is going to either will show me something like Gmails for me to use. But since GB WhatsApp or you or the TM doesn't allow any of the users to sometimes use the Gmails as local backup, so I'm going to click on restore from here. Okay, so you can see that it says restore your chats. So let's wait a while to see if it restores. Oh yeah, we are done. So we click on next. So you can see we restored 479,433 messages. Okay, we go to next and we write the business name. Let me just put up anything here. Later on, I'm going to change it. Okay, let me say this. Later on, I'm going to change it, and then here I'm going to select something. Okay, so okay, so something like this. Later on, I'm going to change everything. initializing. Okay, so you can see that we have almost what? All of. One says that not now. Yeah. So two-step verification. Okay. So you can see that it is restoring our media. What it means is that it is restoring the videos, the images, and everything. Right? But the messages has been restored. So you can see when I scroll down, I'm having all of the previous chat that I actually had. Okay, before. So you can see this. Right? You can even see the date. Look at the date. The date right here. The date is 2023. As you can see. Yes. So I scroll down. I open some of the messages. All right. Yes. So I get back. So that's just that. And then this particular method is going to work for all WhatsApp backups. Okay. If it is the original WhatsApp, if it is WhatsApp business, anyone that there is, it is going to work. All right. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. The next time I'm going to show you how to get back and then hop on to the GB WhatsApp safely and then securely, all right, without getting banned or without getting logged out. Until we meet again, bye.
For more information and also to reach us, please contact the numbers on the screen. You can also reach us through our social media handles displayed on the screen. Please do like, follow, and subscribe.